All the best fitness trackers are great for getting healthier, getting more active, and even getting more sleep. They can help motivate you to be more active, track your progress, and offer guidance on how hard you should be pushing yourself. While many are designed to be used outdoors, most can also track indoor exercises also. For those of you who want to practice social distancing but also want to stay in shape, in this video I am going to show you the best fitness trackers that you can buy for 2020 and even for 2021. Please hit the like button, do share this video and subscribe my channel. Xiaomi Mi Band 4, the best cheap fitness tracker that has a killer display. For those craving for bold, colorful display on their wrist, the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 is among the best fitness trackers for the job. You can customize the watch face with a variety of cute, inspiring designs using the companion Mi Fit app, as well as assign personalized alerts. You can also use it to control the music playing from your smartphone, so you can pause or play your tunes quickly from your wrist mid-workout. In many reviews, the fitness and sleep tracking on the Mi Band 4 were found good but not great. The best thing about the Mi Band 4 is its battery life. It almost gives you 20 days of battery life. Buy the Mi Band 4 for its colorful touchscreen and excellent battery life. The disappointment is there is so fitness tracking. Links are given in the description. You can check the price there and buy it from there. Fitbit Inspire HR, a great fitness tracker for beginners. The Fitbit Inspire HR is the best Fitbit for those on a budget, as well as one of the best fitness trackers overall. In essence, it is a slimmed down, slightly stripped down version of the Charge 3, which makes this ideal for those who don't want a large device on their wrist but are interested in tracking their steps and sleep. Similar to the Fitbit Charge 3 and Charge 4, the Inspire HR has an OLED touchscreen display, a heart rate monitor, smartphone notifications, swim tracking and sleep tracking too. One shortcoming of the Inspire HR is that it doesn't have a GPS built in, but you are able to link it to your smartphone and use its GPS to accurately track your outdoor activities. Buy this fitness tracker for its slim and lightweight design, accurate sleep tracking, and it is very affordable also. The disappointments are the small display and no automatic run pausing. Links are given in the description. You can check the price there and buy it from there. Garmin Forerunner 245, the best fitness tracker for runners. Garmin makes the best sport watches you can buy, and the Forerunner 245 is everyone's favorite. There aren't a lot of bells and whistles, but this running watch is small and light with a built-in GPS and a colorful screen that is easy to see in bright sunlight. Even better is that the Forerunner 245 has an onboard music storage, so you don't need to carry a smartphone with you if you want to listen to tunes while you run. The 245 also calculates your V0 to max score and offers a recovery advisor to let you know how long to rest between runs. This watch also lasts for about a week of workouts on a charge, which isn't bad for such a fully featured GPS watch. However, Garmin's menus for both the watch and its apps can be a bit confusing. Buy this watch for its accurate GPS and heart rate monitor, easy to read in sunlight, and customizable interface with onboard music storage. The disappointment is the application could be better organized. Links are given in the description. You can check the price there and buy it from there. The Fitbit Charge 3, the best fitness tracker under $100. The Fitbit Charge 3 is the best fitness tracker for those on a budget and looking for a general purpose device. It has a fairly large touchscreen display that is easy to navigate and shows such things as your heart rate, distance traveled, and notification from your smartphone if connected. The Charge 3 is also swim proof and can track laps in the pool. We also like that the Charge 3 comes in the 3 different sizes, which helps in better accommodate trails of all sizes. Plus, there are numerous straps available, letting you personalize the device to your likings. The Fitbit Charge 3 also has an SpO2 sensor that will be used to diagnose breathing disturbance while sleeping and week-long battery life. It still requires a smartphone to connect to GPS, but overall it's the best fitness tracker for the money. Buy this fitness tracker for its touchscreen display, SpO2 sensor, and it is also swim proof. The disappointments are there is no onboard GPS, not the most accurate heart rate monitor. Links are given in the description, you can check the price there and buy it from there. Fitbit Charge 4, the best fitness tracker overall. The Fitbit Charge 4 is our top pick among the best fitness trackers and fitness watches because it introduces the key features that we missed on the Charge 3, that is GPS. The Charge 4 sync with a smartphone to show you a map of your runs, hikers and other outdoor activities. You will also see the data for pace, elevation, heart rate zones and calories burned. Even better, the application overlays this information along your route. You can also see what parts of your venture made you huff and puff. The Charge 4 uses the SpO2 pulse oximeter sensor to better help you understand sleeping patterns too. Plus, the Charge 4 is the first of Fitbit's fitness trackers to have a contactless Fitbit Pay capabilities. If you are looking for a well-rounded wearable with a broad collection of features, this is one to get. Buy this fitness tracker for its accurate and fast GPS, big community of users and great design. The only disappointment is there is no onboard music storage. Links are given in the description, you can check the price there and buy it from there. So these are some of the best fitness trackers that you can buy in 2020 and 2021 under different categories. If you know any other best fitness trackers, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.